What if 95% of your daily exhaustion is self-inflicted? You wake up already tired before the day even starts. Two silent habits drain your battery: clinging and resisting. Clinging is every time you want the good moment to last forever. Resisting is every time you push away the uncomfortable. Together they build an invisible second skin. Imagine your mind as a calm lake. Every pleasant experience drops a glowing pebble. Every unpleasant experience drops a dark stone. Over years, the lake floor disappears. You no longer see water. You see only what you like and dislike. This is why life feels like a constant negotiation. The solution is not to rearrange the world. The solution is to stop the two habits. Here are 8 daily micro-shifts. 1. Release past resentments. 2. Do not let new frustrations in. 3. Handle daily friction. 4. Stop micro-control. 5. Be patient with family. 6. Let go of material finish lines. 7. Do not take life personally. 8. Train the animal body. Do all 8 and you will feel lighter.